Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Sing Mei Liao Liao or Green Plum Liao Liao, chapter 122. So here it is. Let's read the story. Dr. Rensing and Wafang. The two seems to be feel awkward, especially for Wafang. Now she really can answer what Rensing is asking her. She looks really stunned, and she was only looking at hers. But now she stood up and said, "It's getting late. You're tired today. I will go back and you can take some rest." But still, she was not answering her directly. Well, for Rensing, of course, she looks really sad, and she was only humming. Until now, she was in low voice. Probably she was thinking, it's coming here, is really regretting, or now suddenly they cross over. But Wafang said to her it was no. Rensing, she looks really sad. For Wafang, she was acting naturally. Suddenly, Rensing, she looked back on her. Well, probably she was really waiting for her to answer her. Looking at her face, she seems to be excited. She really travels far away just to be with her. Now, it is getting better. Wafang said to her, "I wouldn't touch someone's heads like that." Oh, it turns out she is being modest. Well, this is really good, right? She don't want to have any interactions with other. But of course, Peiyu has been considerate to her. One of the girls said if Miss Pei says she's going to resign, she will resign. Well, it turns out it was night out today. Everyone seems to be going to eat. Are you going back to take over the family business? One of the friends said. But Peiyu, she was looking at hers. Well, this is really the serious questions, and maybe she is not ready to answer that. The girl seems to be getting energetic and said, "If you become rich and powerful, just don't forget that about each other." Well, they really cute, right? Friends bonding. It seems to be getting better. But Peiyu said, "I haven't decided what to do next yet, but just follow Lele." Oh, she was really sweet. Turns out she really wanted to pay attention to Song. Now the girls said, "Hey, wow, you guys are so." That's right, you should stop saying these things that make people want to die. Our lives are also lives. Well, what cute funny comment it is. Okay, no matter what happens in the future, let me first congratulate our President's Pei on his resignation. Song suddenly stood up. She is protecting Peiyu on this girl's side. Now, everyone said cheers. We're really enjoying this night, especially the girls. This is Peiyu's celebration for resigning. That's why all of them get out to have some fun. Now, it really makes sense. Song said, "Pay attention to your safety. When you get there's a message in our group. It is getting late. The two of them needs to go back home, but suddenly it seems that they're being sweet to each other. Look at them, especially Feiyu. She was looking at Song with really sincere intention. Well, definitely they're being good on each other. Well, Feiyu was waving her hands and said, "I see." Now, Song, looking at her, she becomes sticky to her. She leaned towards her and hugged her. Well, this is really getting better, right? Don't you think we are like the wedding banquets and it's over and we are sending off the guests? What else to do now? Song said to her. Well, definitely. This is really getting better. You are hinting, no, telling me explicitly that you want to marry me. He said to her. Now, this is really getting good, right? Let's see on what will happen next. Maybe, can you get drunk from juice? Now Song said to Feiyu, "Why are you talking like drunkenly?" Well, they really look cute, especially Song. She was really looking innocent. "I am not just talking drunk, I just want to be with you forever, so I want us to get married." Oh, this is really getting great. And Feiyu, she was really serious about Song. For now, look at them, suddenly they got interrupted. Faye, are you okay? Someone was talking to them. Well, I sensed something wrong. Is the person is her father? Well, it was right. It was Peyo's father, and she seems to be looking serious. The time to separate the couple has come. Now her father's come quietly. Seems to be surprised. Peyo's father suddenly came in. Song, I thought you were a smart person, but I didn't expect you to be so ungrateful. Peyo's father, he looks really serious about this matter. Now Song and Peyo suddenly got fussed. You think you can do this by me, by asking Peyo to resign? What kind of train thought is this? I can become a chairman of the fort. You should be thankful that she was born on a wealthy family, but suddenly, looking at Peyo, it seems that she really don't want her father saying. Now she's trying to block Song so her father won't reach her. Oh, the scene is really getting better. Especially Song, suddenly she became brave and said, Mr. Fei, now is she going to confront Peyo's father that their love is really unbreakable. Also, they're really sincere to each other. Ahao is an independent individual and she has the power to make her own decision. I will not be dominated by her, and she is not a puppet we can only dominate it. I won't dominate her, and you shouldn't either. Song said to Pei's father, but her father said, Pei, you can resign. Now, he looks really more serious. Probably, he won't go. Her father seems to be confident. Well, he really it is. I will transfer you to the headquarters. You are my only child and the entire group will belong to you from now on. Oh, that was a great news, but her father is really offensive. Now, you're still young. You don't know how the great fortune this is. You will definitely regret giving up such a growth for the so-called love ridiculous. So, it really makes sense to pay you. It seems that her father is not really a good person, also a workaholic. Now Fei said to him, Oh, Peyu, right now, she seems to be smiling. Well, definitely she knows to herself that she can really trick her father. So, this is also the reason why you gave up on me, and also the mom. Now, Peyu, she looks really angry. Knowing about this, of course, she remembered that she's been going through a lot because she don't have a father. Now, it really makes sense. It was really overflowing right now. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.